Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am just doing a quick mock-up for an upcoming one-on-one session that I have. I'm using the crystal chandelier. The young lady picked out a design. I'll insert a picture so you can see. So I'm just testing out these colors to make sure they work well together. But I have 3 different types of gold. I have a sequin gold, a matte velvet gold, and I have a crushed taffeta gold. This is how I set up my hardware. Now I'm just measuring to make sure everything is even. I'm making a pole cover. So here I'm gathering the sequin. I was thinking like, okay, I can go probably lower with this panel, but then I realized me going lower and making the X is going to block the chandelier. Even though I made this design before, I just wanted to add a few differences. Before I didn't put an X. I didn't make an X with the sequin. So I'm beginning to pleat. Make it nice and straight in the center. Then here I'm beginning to swag my fabric, giving it some drop. And then for my ivory panel, I drop it even lower. I didn't like the way the sequin was not allowing the fabric to hang loosely. So that's why I took the sequin in the back. Again, I tried to go low with the design, but I said, no, it's going to block the chandelier. So I just took it to those markings on the upright, those little slots that you find on the upright. So I don't like that the sequin is not showing that much, but I really wanted my fabric to swag freely. So I'm just repeating what I did to the other side. You want to make sure you keep stepping back to make sure, like I'm stepping back to make sure that matte gold is even with the other side. Okay, so I'm straightening up the bottom, making it nice and neat. I'm sorry I will not have a video of the completed design, but please stay tuned. You're gonna see me do this with my student, and I'm gonna post it, and you'll get to see the design more so completed in video format. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.